I'm up here in northeast Ohio, Pond Lake area. I'm in the back room where they keep me when I come up here, and if I'm good tomorrow, I get to go outside and play. Um, as long as I've been sequestered, I'm going to go ahead and maybe do a little song. Most of you have probably heard this song. It's very popular today. As soon as I get into it, you'll probably recognize it. So I hope you enjoyed it. Excuse me. It goes something like this. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. 'Cause the vision softly creeping left its seats while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, 'neath the hollow of a street lamp. Turn my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one dare disturb the sound of silence. Fool, said I, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell and echoed in the well of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made. And the sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming. And the sign said, the words of the prophet are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered the sound of silence. Sounds of Silence by Simon and Garfunkel. I hope you enjoyed it. Good night.